Hello, welcome. Today let us have a problem based on trigonometrical ratios. The problem is figure based and also very interesting problem. The given figure is this. In this figure, we have to find the values of 2 sin y minus cos y. There are 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4 bits. These values we have to find from this given figure. In this figure, ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angle it is B. And BDC is also a right angled triangle. Right angle is at D. BD is given 9 units. CD is given 12 units. AC is given 25 units. And angle A, that is angle BAC is X. And angle BCD is Y. Okay, they are the angles. If it is so, we have to find the values of these 4 expressions. Okay, let us work out one by one. First one is 2 sin y minus cos y. 2 sin y minus cos y. So, y is here. First of all, we see sin cos. This is a right angle, BDC is a right angled triangle. Right angle is at D. So opposite to y is BD. This is perpendicular. For y, BD is perpendicular. CD is base. BC is the hypotenuse. And we know that sine of an angle is perpendicular opposite side by hypotenuse, where we don't know the hypotenuse BC. So first of all, we don't know in this figure BC and AB values, we don't know. First of all, let us find out BC and AB. Okay? So let us have BC first. In this triangle BDC, in triangle BDC, BC square is equal to BD square plus CD square. So BD is given 9. 9 square CD square is 12 square. So 81 plus 144, that gives you 225. So BC is equal to square root of 225. You will get BC is 15. So now we got BC 15. AC is given 25. AB we can find. Here angle B is 90 degree. So AC is the hypotenuse in this triangle. So AB square is equal to, in triangle ABC, AB square is equal to, as AC is the hypotenuse, AC square minus BC square. AC we got, AC is given 25 square, BC we got 15 square, 25 square is 625, 15 square is 225, that gives you 400. That implies AB is equal to square root of 400, that equal to 20 units. So let me write AB 20 here and BC we got 15 for better understanding. So actually I have written here first bit. First, before doing, let us find the values of BC and AB. We got it now, and these values I have substituted, I have marked here in the figure, so that it will be very easy for us. Now, one by one, let us do. We can say sin y, cos y. And for y, what more are there? Here no y, here cos y. Cos x, sin y. So only for angle y, sin y and cos y are there. And for x, sin x, cos x, sin x, cos x, here tan x is there. Okay, one by one when we do, we can do. Or first we can find the values of sin x, cos x, tan x, sin y, cos y. And we can substitute the values. Any way we like, we can do. So let us do one by one. So now these were, we got BC and AB. I have marked here. Now let us work out each bit. Okay. So our first bit is 2 sin y minus cos y. 2 sin y for this angle, perpendicular is BD So it is good, let us find sin y cos y values only. Okay, because some other places also we have to use. BD by hypotenuse is BC. BD is 9, hypotenuse BC is 15. 3 3s are 3 5s are 3 by 5. Let me find cos y also. Cos of this angle is base by hypotenuse. Here base is CD. By hypotenuse is BC. CD is 12 by 15. 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 by 4. Okay. Now let me substitute sin y and cos y here. That equal to 2 into sin y is 3 by 5 minus cos y is 3 by 4. That gives you, okay, 6 by 5 minus 3 by 4. If you take LCM, 5 4 20, 5 4 to 4 6 are 24, 4 5s are 5 3s are 15. We get 24 minus 15 is 9 by 20. I think 2 sin y, okay, we are getting 9 by 20. I think somewhere we have done wrong. Yes, here 3 by 5 actually this one. This is 3 4s are 3 5s are. So we get 4 by 5. We get 4 by 5. So 2 sin y is 2 into 3 by 5 minus cos y is 4 by 5. 6 by 5 minus 4 by 5 gives you 2 by 5. So our first bit we got the value of 2 sin y minus cos y is equal to 2 by 5. And the second bit we have to find the values of sin x and cos x. So for better understanding, because I am no space, so I am writing here sin y we got 3 by 5, cos y we got 4 by 5. Same values we can apply for other expressions. Okay. Now let us do second one. First one 2 by 5 we go. For the second bit, the question is 2 sin x minus cos x. Here we have to find the values of sin x and cos x. X is the angle in triangle ABC. So opposite to x is BC perpendicular, AB base, AC is hypotenuse. So let me find sin x first. Sine of this angle is opposite side BC by hypotenuse AC. This is 15 by 25. We get 3 5s are 5 3s are 5 5s are. Sin x also we got 3 by 5. Let us find cos x. Cos of this angle is adjacent side AB by hypotenuse AC, that is 20 by 25. 5 4s are 5 5s are, that is 4 by 5. So let me write here sin x is 3 by 5, cos x is 4 by 5. So in order to find this, we must have sin x and cos x, and these values of sin x and cos x we have to substitute here to get its value. So 2 into sin x is 3 by 5 minus cos x is 4 by 5. Okay, that is equal to 2 3 is 6 by 5 minus 4 by 5. This also gives you 2 by 5. So the value of 2 sin x minus cos x is 2 by 5. Okay. Now let us work out for third bit. Third bit sin x already we got. Cos y we already got. Okay. So our third bit, let us write the expression here. No need to find anything. Easily we can substitute. 1 minus sin x plus cos y. 1 minus sin x value is 3 by 5. Cos y value is 4 by 5. LCM is 5. We'll get 5 minus 3, here 4. 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 3 by 5. That gives you 6 by 5. So our third bit is we got 6 by 5. Okay. Now for the fourth bit, we need cos x, sin y, tan x. So here we have to find tan x. Okay, now let me do fourth bit for you. Two cos x minus 3 sin y plus 4 tan x. These two are known to us. Tan x value let us find out. For this angle x, tan of an angle is perpendicular by base or opposite side by base. Here we get BC by AB. BC is 15, AB is 20. 5 3s are, 5 4s are, that is 3 by 4. Now let us substitute the values. 2 into cos x value 4 by 5 minus 3 into sin y value 3 by 5 plus 4 into tan x value, now we got 3 by 4. Nothing will be cancelled. 8 by 5. Here 9 by 5 plus 4 cancelled 3. So LCM is 5. We get 8 minus 9. 3 means 3 by 1. 5 divided by 1 is 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 minus 9. I think 14 by 5. Okay. You can show this in the form of mixed 2 and 4 by 5. Third bit also we got 6 by 5. That you can show in 1 and 1 by 5. Because whenever you get the answer in improper, always you have to show in mixed fraction. Thank you.